Hi, Don. Hope you're doing well today. My name is Craig. I own Click Medias. I actually spoke with your receptionist today, and she was nice enough to give me your information so I could shoot you a quick website audit I did. If you're interested in any of this information, please take it, respond to my email, or give me a call back and let me know what you think. If not interested, I completely understand. Please take this information and do with it whatever you like. Um, Either way, I would love some feedback on the video. If you could shoot me a quick email back and also let me know that you got the video from me. But like I said, my name is Craig. I own Click Medias. We're out of Alpharetta. And a lot of times I go through and just look at contractors and kind of see where they rank compared to others. And if I believe I can help someone, I do all I can to do that. So I'll go over three quick things with you with your website. And really, it's just content, citations, and backlinks that come back to your page. Those are the three things that are really going to affect where you rank and how many people are seeing you. To start off with the content, your front page really should have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and obviously stuff that relates to what you guys do. You always hear the term keywords, so obviously keywords that can make your site authoritative where it'll show up in the rankings. So the biggest thing is I think you have a beautiful site. Pictures look nice, maybe a little more content on what you do, and at least 1,500 to 2,000 words, which I think you're well short of. And again, just more keywords to get there. Number two, if we look here at the map pack, these are the people that are listing up high. Obviously, when someone's searching, it's path of least resistance, obviously, and if someone's searching for commercial painters, the first two showing are Castle Painting. These are in Atlanta, and CertaPro. And really what affects your map pack ranking is citations. That's simply directories where you're showing up. So, for example, CertaPro has 45, Castle Painting has 59 citations, and Bobby Taylor's at 10. So looking at someone like Castle Painting, and you look at what directories they're on, obviously Facebook, Bing, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, and this is kind of how authoritative those are. Over here, they're rating to 100. So obviously, you could go through, and what I always suggest is just matching all these. You could actually go to each of these sites and register your business on each of these, and then I would do more to surpass them to show up on the map pack. Really pretty simple. That's one of the easiest things to do. And then number three is how many referring domains. This is kind of showing up in organic search, but how many referring domains contain your backlinks. So for example, your company has 14 with 41 total backlinks with 58 organic keywords. And it's only bringing a little bit of site to your traffic. It doesn't look like y'all sell a ton off your website, which is what she told me. But I do think there's some easy fixes if y'all were interested all in doing that. For example, you go to someone like Castle, and let me go back to their overview here. They have 151 referring domains with 1.4K backlinks. Obviously, with a higher domain rating, this is just how powerful your rating is. And that brings 235 people to their website, and you can actually go into their keywords that they're targeting. And second, why this opens, and then obviously they're paying for their own, or their own name is high in the keywords, but then you can get into other things, and the higher the search volume, obviously the better. House painters in Atlanta, things like this is where you would want to rank up. I know y'all just do commercial, but obviously we target the correct keywords. But just those little things I wanted to go over. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any interest at all, please let me know. I'll let you know what we can do for you. We can do anything from website builds to refreshing someone's website to Facebook ads. I mean, really anything anybody wants to do, or just the minimum of correcting a couple of these issues. But if there is anything you're interested in, I'd love to hear from you. And if not, like I said, please shoot me a quick email. Let me know you saw the video. And you can obviously, it's your information to do with what you want. I appreciate it so much. Thanks.